गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स एडमिन के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन देखते हैं जो इंटरव्यू के लिए बहुत फायदेमंद रहेगा। और इसके साथ ही सेल्सफोर्स का इंट्रोडक्शन भी देखते हैं। तो पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन इंट्रोडक्शन इन सेल्सफोर्स। Salesforce admin interview questions are the frequently asked in the understanding the and sorting out of the best professional Salesforce candidate in the company. This team from of the device and critical need to for general and transferable skills set to the become an Salesforce admin. Though Salesforce admin interview questions, one can get the chance to work in the luck, lucrative and Salesforce industry that has a processed billion of dollars in the revenue. Different role in the Salesforce admin industry needs proper skills to crack an interview. Practice using a set of the Salesforce admin interview questions beforehand can help to understand and prepare the better for the upcoming the interview questions. So key highlights: Salesforce. Salesforce admin are the in charge of implementing and improving the overview, business management and process. Salesforce admin create vital link between the business and the technology. A goal: Salesforce admin should have a deserved transferable skills. Salesforce admin questions are tricky but simple enough if the candidate is well prepared. Salesforce admin interview questions. First question: what is your idea about the Salesforce? Salesforce is a leading CRM platform that help to the connect customer and the business. It is an integrated platform that is ensure that standard the share the pictures of customers to every business department. Thus, Salesforce help to operate a business from anywhere and anytime without the complexity. Next question: who are the Salesforce admin? Salesforce admin are in charge of the implementing and improving the overall business management process. They are the main force driving the Salesforce success in an organization or business. Next questions: defined user records. A user's record in Salesforce is a record that is a pre-present and individual user of the Salesforce application. It is a contain information such as a user's name and email address and login the traditional users record or records are required for each individual user in the organization to access of Salesforce platforms. Next questions: define the manual sharings. Manual sharing in the Salesforce is the features that allow the annotations or the users with appropriate permission set to manually share the specific records with other users. Manually sharing can be done by going to the records details page and clicking on of the sharing buttons. Next questions: how do you troubleshoot a Salesforce issue? Troubleshooting a Salesforce issue involve in identify the problems, researching and understanding of the case, implementing and solution is testing, resolve the problems. Next questions. What is the CRM? CRM stand for Customer Relationship Management. It is a help to the automated up the system and ensure the digitalizations of the marketing function in the increase profile in the company. CRM manually will open the customer value and intuitive include the customer equations, stations, churn, and win back. Different Next question: different date between the Salesforce.com and Force.com. Salesforce.com help you develop CRM based the functionality application is a for example as a mobile application that is a store all customer and user the related information and other the standard functions. Host.com one of the old handout users interface to the customized data model. For the example, mobile application with the OS environment can be developed and the run application. What are the some portal in Salesforce? In Salesforce portal are the features that is allow external users such as customers, partners, and vendors to access specific information in Salesforce without having the full Salesforce license. A different type of the Salesforce portal, including the customer, partners, vendor, community, high value, and the self-service portals. And next question: why are the tab in using the Salesforce? Tab in the Salesforce is used to negative and access data different object within the Salesforce application. They are the way to the organize and structure data and functionality within the Salesforce making it is easy to users find access the information the needs. Next questions. What type of the tab are are in Salesforce? There are the several type of the tab in Salesforce. Object tab is a correspond to the specific object such as account, contact, leads, and custom tabs. Custom tabs can be created by annotation to the create custom object and applications. Web tab allow an annotation to the inbuilt external web page or the website within the Salesforce. Visual Force page tab. Visual Force tab allow the annotations to create custom page using the Visual Force framework. Apex tab. Apex tab are the similar to the Visual Force tab, but instead of using the Visual Force framework, it is use Apex, which is a Salesforce property programming language. Next, lighting compound tabs used to create the custom page and functionality that is optimize the Salesforce Lightning experience. Next questions, how can one delete or phrase Salesforce users? To delete a users in Salesforce, we need a declarative the users thought the phrase option. It is a because deleting user in the Salesforce is not the possible. To phrase a users, we need to go to and manage users and users. Then click on phrase. Next questions. How can one set logging hours and logging IPs for Salesforce users? The setup to set logging hours and login IP are as follows. Login hours, setup administrations, manage users profiles. Login IP, setup administration, setup, manage users and profiles. Next questions. What type of profiles are available in the Salesforce? Two type of profile the will in Salesforce. It include standard profiles, profile the created by Salesforce.com under the profiles are standard users and marketing users, read only system admin and solution managers. Custom profiles profile the created by users. Next question, describe the three types of columns on of the sentence in each. There are the three types of the columns. Public clouds are available to the people worldwide in which that users has no control over the resource. Private clouds assemble in the limited areas and ensure that is cloud infrastructure service to particular organization. Hybrid clouds, combination of the different type of clouds that is allow data application to transfer from on the one cloud on to another. By hybrid clouds is mainly the integration of the private, public, and community clouds. Next questions mention the common factor on SaaS, as and PaaS. The common factors are next question. Uh, Sorry, it is means software as a service. SaaS, it is a means software as a service. There are these services are the distribute all over the cloud to help provide service online. SaaS, it is a stand for the infrastructure as a service. Is a as cloud the service provide the ensure the service and infrastructure like hosting, service, storage, and server requirement users. PaaS, it is a main platform as a service. PaaS, cloud service provide the provider provide the hardware. It is include operating system, network service. Next questions. What is the Salesforce reports? Salesforce report is a tools that allow user to the view and analyze data from the Salesforce object. One can the customize report with different filters, groups, and sorting the options. Next questions. Different between the profile and roles. Profiles create a object and fields level access. For example, general permission, read, write permission, and the many more. Roles provide the records level access like role, hierarchy, sharing rules, manual sharings, and many more. Next question: how is the transfer records use in the profiles? Transfer record is a permission in the Salesforce provided to the users to transfer record with read access. A user can use the transfer record and access to transfer record with a read access. Next questions. Define FISOL year in the Salesforce. FISOL year in the Salesforce identify sharing and ending date of the company or business in financial years. It is of two type of standard FISOL years and custom FISOL years. Next questions. What are the governor limits? Salesforce governor limit are the protections enforced by Salesforce to ensure the effective processing in maintenance. It allowed to multiple users and users to perform without the impending performance. This limit including the static apex limit for transaction, the apex limit, and more. Next, frequently questions देखते हैं जो important है. First question: how do I prepared for a Salesforce interview? To prepare for the Salesforce interview, familiarize yourself with the platform. It is a features and the Salesforce ecosystem, as well as your the prior experience with it. Understand key Salesforce terminology and concept. Be prepared to the discuss how you use to Salesforce to solve business problem and have a strong understanding of the CRM and how to Salesforce improve customers relationship. Next, what are the basic of Salesforce admin? The basic of Salesforce administrations, including the understanding Salesforce data model and how it organize and manage data with platform. Additionally, Salesforce administration should be understanding the Salesforce ecosystem and how to it integrated with other systems such as email, the marketing, automation, the tools. Next questions. What are the Salesforce admin skills? Salesforce administration skills include the knowledge of the Salesforce platform, that data management and customization, strong problem slowing, and communication skills are the critical circle for Salesforce admin to work with stakeholder and understand the needs. Next question: what is one of daily responsibility for Salesforce admin? One of the daily responsibility of the Salesforce administrations is to the manage and the maintain the data within the platform. that is a creating and updating the records, managing the users access, and ensuring data integrity by the enforcing data validations rules and maintaining the data relationship. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.